Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing card animation in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I can close and even close this page. So I already opened the new video Canva and added these 5 cards. So I just select all, going to the position, range, middle and center. And I check like I added 2 black and 3 red cards. Yes, I just would like to make an order. So like this, red, black, red, black, red. So, and now the important thing, we have to duplicate the page and going to the second page already. And we are on the second page. I just select the card from the bottom and start to rotate. And as you can see, I just moving the corner, this one, this left bottom corner, the same as the card in the top. At least I try to do it. It's not working 100% because sometimes the cards are not same position. I can, yeah, with the buttons, with the arrow buttons, we can do it much better. We can moving the element pixel by pixel. Meanwhile, with the mouse, it's a bit more difficult. So I'm going to select the second one from the bottom, also rotating, doing the same, like this, and selecting the second from the top, also rotating to the other direction, try to move to the same position, and selecting the top one, also rotating a bit further than the second one from the top. I think this one is a bit too much. I have to move back a bit. No, it's not enough. Like this. Yes. And maybe this one also can be less. Yeah. Anyhow, this is also depends how do you move this. I would like to move this element. This is just an example. And now I go into the between the 2 pages, add transition, and we can use our favorite match and move, extend the duration, and when I'm playing it, you can see the cards are moving. If you would like to be faster, we can decrease the time to 1 second. As you can see, it's much faster, or we can do it with slower, or if you would like to do it even more slower, so I just extend the time to 10 seconds, apply to all pages, and I'm going back. Now we can add the duration to 5 seconds. This is the maximum in a match and move. So that will be a really slow movement. That's a very nice, very slow movement. It's not perfect. You can see this card is not in a perfect position, so I can correct it. Just zooming it like this. Play with the arrows, and this one I think also I can move a bit. It's better now. I think I can. Yeah, it's more or less perfect. And now this video is really long, the 17.5 seconds. But what we can do, we can download the whole video, upload again, and just cut this from here then it will be a really nice animation. So I will show it now. Just increase the quality to the best. Downloading the video. Meanwhile, I just go into the video section, create a new mobile video. I would like to show you what is going on. I just wait until the video is downloaded. So as you can see, now video is downloading and already uploaded to the new mobile video Canva. I just increasing the size. And now I'm moving to the zoom page to changing to zoom thumbnails. And when it increases to 500, that's really nice. We can see when the things happening. Let's increase the timeline with 5 times bigger, which is really nice. So I can cut literally like 5.5 seconds from the top. Split page, and I just cut this portion. And I can do it also from the other part of the video. You will see why. So it's moving slowly, but the boring part is already cut from the video. I mean, for 5 seconds, you can see only the 5 cards together, but on this, because I just cut it, now it's this one, this part is very short, and immediately, almost immediately start this movement. This is how we can create a slower animation, and we just have to increase those 2 pages to 10 seconds. I recommend the 10 seconds because the maximum length of the duration of the transition is 5 seconds. So this can be done from the 10 seconds pages. And if you think this portion is too boring, it'll start to, you can see, literally start to moving at 6.97 seconds. So I can delete those parts from the downloaded and uploaded video. And in this case, we can really shortening the boring portion. Yeah, even I can do it again, split page. And if I start to play again, immediately starts. So that this is the trick how we can remove, how we can shorten the animation. So that if we increase in the duration, we have to increase the times of the pages. Then when it's done, we can download the whole video, upload again, and just cut the unwanted parts. This is how easy this thing. But actually, the main reason was in the video to showing how to create this animation. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva or if I miss anything from this tutorial. Please visit also my Facebook page. You can find in a link in the description where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another amazing Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image and text to video prompts for AI tools, for different kind of AI tools. If you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find a link in the description. In the description, you can find also the link of my new Instagram and TikTok pages, where you can find lots of nice short Canva tutorials. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.